Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Stripe to Google Sheets securely step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account using your credentials. In the Stripe dashboard, locate the Data Export section. Click on the Data Export option to access data download features. Select the type of data you want to transfer, such as transactions or customer details. Choose the appropriate date range for the data export. Select the format for the export file, typically in CSV format. Confirm your selection and initiate the export process. Wait for the export to complete, then download the CSV file to your computer. Next, open Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. Once your new spreadsheet opens, navigate to the File menu on the top left. Select Import from the drop-down menu. In the Import window, choose the Upload tab. Drag your downloaded CSV file into the designated area or select it from your files. Decide how you want to import the data when prompted. You can choose to replace the current sheet, create a new sheet, or append to the current sheet. Click the Import Data button to begin the transfer. Once the import is complete, review the data in Google Sheets. Make any necessary adjustments, such as formatting or organizing the data. To enhance security, consider restricting access to your Google Sheet. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Adjust the sharing settings to limit access to specific individuals only. Ensure that you are the only one with editing rights unless collaboration is necessary. Finally, safeguard your sensitive data by regularly auditing the sharing settings. This completes the process of securely transferring data from Stripe to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.